Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Stop using the device to prevent new writes. Every write risks overwriting recoverable blocks. Connect to a recovery PC via USB or remove the storage if possible. Make a bit-for-bit image first, because you will work on the image, not the original. Once the image is complete, verify checksums to ensure integrity. Make sure to note encryption, file system type, and any backup timestamps. These details determine which tools and methods will succeed and why they matter. Now you perform the heavy work. Run sector-level scans and file carving with file system-aware software so that metadata and directory structures can be reconstructed. If partitions were encrypted, attempt header recovery or supply known keys. Without keys, carve unencrypted fragments like images and documents. Use prioritized rules to recover high-value file types first, then rebuild the directory tree from metadata fragments. Once partial files are restored, validate them and iterate. Adjust block size, signature sets, and scanning depth to maximize. Finish by verifying every recovered file. Compute checksums, open documents, and compare timestamps where possible. Always export to separate storage so you never write to the original media. If key data is still missing, try alternate recovery tools, increase scan thoroughness, and use different signature libraries. Sometimes a second tool finds fragments the first missed. If none succeed, document everything, images, command logs, and hashes so you can hand off to a forensic pro or repeat steps reliably. This log is your single best troubleshooting aid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.